A digital multimeter is an essential tool for anyone working with electrical systems. It is a device used to measure various electrical parameters, such as voltage, current, and resistance. Unlike its analog counterpart, a digital multimeter provides readings in numerical format, making it easier to read and interpret the results. One of the main advantages of a digital multimeter is its accuracy. Digital multimeters are known for their precise measurements, allowing for reliable and consistent results. This is crucial when working with sensitive electrical components, as even small discrepancies in measurements can lead to significant errors. Another advantage of a digital multimeter is its versatility. Most digital multimeters are designed to measure a wide range of electrical parameters, making them suitable for a variety of applications. Whether you are testing a circuit in a home or troubleshooting a complex industrial system, a digital multimeter can provide the necessary readings. Digital multimeters also offer added convenience compared to analog multimeters. They typically feature a digital display, making it easier to read the measurements in various lighting conditions. Additionally, many digital multimeters come with additional features, such as auto-ranging and data logging, further enhancing their usability. In conclusion, a digital multimeter is a valuable tool for anyone working with electrical systems. Its accuracy, versatility, and convenience make it a preferred choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you are a seasoned electrician or a DIY enthusiast, a digital multimeter can help you accurately measure electrical parameters, troubleshoot issues, and ensure the safety and efficiency of electrical systems.